Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about how to get into an investment banking internship. The most of the finance aspirant dream job is investment banking firm because we all know that the pay check in investment banking is very high. The average salary package is above 8 lakh and 10 lakh rupees. So in today's video, we will see how to get an internship, which will definitely increase our chances to get into an investment banking job at the later stage of life when we complete our studies and apply for the placement at IB. So let's begin. It's a simple just search for internship in JP Morgan. Now click on this. I have already opened this tab. This is for India's summer analyst internship. This program is designed to fully immerse you in a day-to-day activities of one of our division. Means this program is specially designed for the finance aspirants who want to pursue career in the investment banking firm. This will help them to know how the activities are done on the daily basis at IB. Eligibility: the summer analyst role is for candidate currently pursuing a college or university degree and is usually undertaken during the second preliminary year of study. The length of the program will be means the internship will be 8 to 10 weeks. City Bengaluru, because at current uh, Goldman Sachs at Bengaluru provide this internship opportunity. There is no deadline. It's only the application is open for the summer of 2022, and you can definitely apply for this program by clicking on this. Summer associate internship: the summer associate internship is for candidate currently working towards an advanced degree such as MBA, JD, MD or LLM, and is usually undertaken during the second or penultimate ultimate year of study. This is 10-week program with a real responsibility to give you a sense of what you would be doing day to day as a full-time Goldman Sachs employee. Summer analyst internship: the summer analyst internship is for candidate currently pursuing a college degree or university degree and usually undertaken during the second year of study depending on region. Program lasts between 8 to 11 weeks and are designed fully to immerse you in day-to-day activity of one of our division. Means if you are doing your MBA, then definitely apply for this, and if you are undergraduate and you are pursuing your BB or BCom, then you should be applying for this. If you click on apply, then here comes a form. If you have a LinkedIn ID, that would be better option. Simply click on sign in with LinkedIn, and this will gives you your biodata to the Goldman Sachs, which will definitely help them to for better selection of students. So this is all about Goldman Sachs internship program. Now here we comes with JP Morgan. Same steps goes with JP Morgan for searching the internship. Simply write internship in JP Morgan, India. In the first tab, the first link you should be opening. Here comes the JP Morgan web page. Currently in India there are 9 internship. There are 9, full time 7, and 1 pre-internship. because we are only talking about internship program, then we will be discussing this 9 internship available at JP Morgan. The first internship is corporate analyst development program internship. You can simply read all these things by uh, going to career@jpmorgan.com. It will take a lot of time if I go on reading all the points. This application is not open yet. Market internship: become an expert in financial market, where you will use data to sharp your business decision. All are available for India. I will prefer, if I get a chance, then I will be definitely preferring for this investment banking analyst internship and market internship, because this is the main area of finance where we will be there will be high chance of getting a job after completing the internship at a later stage of life after completing your MBAs. You can definitely put this on your resume, which will give a high weightage if you are applying for JP or Goldman Sachs, because they knew that you have already known the working of the corporate, and it will be easy for you and the organization to mold you in the desired manner which they want. So that's it. You can I will suggest that you should definitely apply for both of these, in which you either of the two. If you get selected in any of these, then it will be a great opportunity for you to understand the working of the IB sectors, IB firms. So thank you.